2019 Hyundai Veloster review. It's a distinctive three-door hatchback that combines sporty looks with fun and functionality. The 2019 Hyundai Veloster is fully redesigned. Hyundai created a variety of subtle changes to increase it when compared to the first-generation Veloster. However, the car's signature design element may be its unique door configuration. Instead of being merely another compact two-door hatchback, the Veloster includes a single driver side door and two passenger side doors. That extra door makes carrying a third, as well as fourth, passenger simple because there's no need for the contortions a normal passenger must proceed through in order to get to the rear seat of your coupe. Power from either in the two available engines won't win any horsepower awards. Nevertheless, the turbocharged 1.6-litre four-cylinder engine 201 horsepower, 195 lb-ft will do sporty with this lightweight, sub 3,000 pound car. The new base engine, a 2.0-litre four-cylinder, produces 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. It's enough to have the Veloster moving, that is about it. Both engines contain a 6-speed manual as standard. The base engine is accessible with a 6-speed automatic, whilst the turbo engine could be paired to some 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. On the technology side, the revolutionary Veloster is best equipped. All versions get lane keeping assist, forward collision mitigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard equipment. Some optional equipment on higher trim vehicles provide an 8-inch infotainment display, an Infinity 8-speaker stereo audio, automatic climate control, and wireless charging pad. Overall, the 2019 Veloster fills a market as a sporty and usable hatchback with good in-car technology and usability. Compared to the last Veloster, it's really a more cohesive and comfy car that performs better. Other compact hatchbacks, for example the Honda Civic along with the Kia Forte 5, feature more interior volume sticking with the same levels of handling. But very little else on the road provides Veloster's unique three-door configuration. What's new? The 2019 Hyundai Veloster has become fully redesigned. Highlights include new interior and exterior styling, a somewhat more powerful base engine, plus a revised plus more sophisticated suspension system that Hyundai says provides better handling and ride comfort. For a complete rundown of what's new, take a look at our 2019 Veloster first drive. If you are looking at the Veloster, we're assuming you're checking sportier end on the hatchback spectrum. For that role, the spec because turbocharged engine, sport-tuned suspension and standard summer performance tires. All are stand-out features inside the class. Trim levels and features. The 2019 Hyundai Veloster can be a three-door hatchback that seats 4 people. It is obtainable in 5 trims. The base 2.0 model is well equipped on tech features, even though the next up 2.0 Premium adds some luxury features. Both are powered by way of a 2.0-litre inline for 147 horsepower, 132 lb-ft. The next 3 trims are powered using a turbocharged 1.6-litre inline for 201 horsepower, 195 lb-ft. The turbo spec adds performance features and it's simple. The turbo adds safety and luxury features, whilst the Turbo Ultimate combines the top from both and adds much more luxury amenities. The 2.0 model would be the only Veloster variant that rides on 17-inch wheels. It comes which has a 6-speed manual transmission as standard, but it might be optioned using a 6-speed automatic. Since the 2.0 will be the base car, its features are standard on almost every other variant. These features include safety measures such as being a forward collision mitigation system, lane keeping assist plus a rear view camera. The 7-inch infotainment system features standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports as well as a 6-speaker subwoofer. Premium models add 18-inch wheels accessible with a 6-speed automatic transmission as standard. Also standard is additional safety equipment, for example blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. In addition, standard luxury equipment incorporates a sunroof, automatic climate control, heated front seats, plus a proximity entry system with push-button start. The infotainment system turns into a boost also thanks to an 8-inch display, Hyundai's BlueLink connected services, a regular wireless charging pad, along with an 8-speaker infinity head unit with satellite radio. The turbo spec is our favorite in the line. It has the turbocharged engine, a regular 6-speed manual transmission. The automatic isn't offered here, summer performance tires as well as a sport-tuned suspension. Spec equipment includes most of what you get with all the 2.0 with items of premium intermixed throughout, for example the infotainment system, BlueLink connectivity, as well as the proximity entry system and push-button start. Spec-specific items include LED headlights with high beam assist, LED tail lights and its particular own cloth seat design. For the Veloster Turbo, Hyundai essentially takes the premium and adds the turbocharged engine, the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and special interior trim. The Turbo Ultimate reverts back into a standard 6-speed manual transmission, using the dual-clutch transmission for an option. It also is sold with some luxury equipment, like leather seating surfaces, a head-up display along with a built-in navigation system. Also included is additional safety equipment encompassing a forward collision mitigation system that boasts pedestrian detection, automatic wipers, and adaptive cruise control for automatic transmission-equipped cars. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically is available in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S within this review use our first drive in the Hyundai Veloster Spec Turbo 1.6 litres inline-4, 6-speed manual, FWD. Driving. The Veloster's turbo engine is respectably strong, as well as the manual transmission is useful. The automatic can be sluggish to downshift. In spectrum, the Veloster feels responsive and connected around turns. This is often a hatchback that merely looks quick, it's genuinely athletic. Comfort. The seats and ergonomics are likely to be good just for this class of car. We like the alterations Hyundai built to the suspension, particularly the independent rear suspension. The ride comfort of this car has improved. Interior. Fit and finished is perfect for the class, and contrasting fabric on trim inside Turbo Ultimate and also the spec spice things up. The high degree of standard in car tech is simple to access and employ. Utility. With its funky 3-door arrangement, the Veloster makes curbside passenger and cargo loading easy. Just make sure to duck since it is still essentially a low-roof coupe. The large hatch opening is deep but narrow. The rear seats fold down for all the more space. Technology. The optional BlueLink communications system allows proprietors to set speed alerts, check maintenance timing, lock and unlock doors, as well as contact authorities in case there is an accident, all over your smartphone. Standard smartphone connectivity is definitely about best in class.